Every big market move begins the same way, not with noise or chaos, but with silence and tight consolidation. Big market moves always begin with silence, that eerie stillness before everything changes. A quiet market, narrow range, stable open interest, and slow premiums. These are the telltale signs of calm. This is the calm before the storm. Then open interest collapses across strike prices like a shockwave, destabilizing the market and signaling volatility ahead. Big players exit, volatility rises, and the market charges up in a powerful sequence. The market charges like a volcano ready to erupt, building explosive potential beneath the surface. Price explodes upward in dramatic fashion, breaking free from consolidation in one violent move. This is the big move setup. Today, you'll learn to spot these explosive moves before everyone else sees them coming. Welcome to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to detect moves using option chain logic. You'll learn the detection method big traders use daily to spot explosive market moves silently. This approach is about preparation, positioning yourself correctly when conditions align. This is not prediction. It's something far more reliable and systematic. This is your new trading superpower. Let's explore the big move setup. A powerful moment when the market gathers massive energy and releases it in one explosive direction. Big move setups have 5 defining traits. They travel fast, continue longer, break through key levels, capture maximum profits, and come with minimal pullbacks. Big moves are rare, but when they arrive, they can completely transform your trading account. Now let's uncover the secret signal that appears before every major move, the OI collapse. When call OI and put OI both drop sharply across multiple strikes within minutes, big players are exiting, and a massive move is coming. When both armies leave the battlefield, a massive march begins. 5 specific conditions must align for a big move setup to occur. So let's break down each one. Tight consolidation, with small candles and low volatility, creates the illusion nothing is happening, but energy is quietly building beneath the surface. When OI falls on both sides, call sellers and put sellers exit together and volatility enters the market. Rising 4 while price stays flat creates a pressure cooker effect, signaling tension building toward an explosive release. A sudden flip in OI direction hints that new positions are forming and market sentiment is shifting. A volume spike on the breakout candle confirms the move is real, signals your entry point, and validates the building momentum. Now let's apply these conditions step by step to trade big move setups in real market scenarios. Price gets stuck between a support wall from put OI and a resistance wall from call OI, compressing energy before the breakout. The strategy unfolds in 5 steps. Identify the range, watch for OI collapse, wait for IV to rise, observe the volume spike, then enter immediately. OI collapse reveals that big players are done defending their positions and are exiting the market. Rising 4, explosion loading, and pressure building all describe the same phenomenon, energy accumulating before release. When the breakout direction is clear, buy calls if it moves up, or puts if it moves down, or use straddle strategies for either direction. Let's walk through a live example showing how the big move setup unfolds from consolidation to breakout. The market is at 21,950, trapped in a range between 21,900 and 22,000, and it's 10:40 a.m. At 10:40, the market shows all the signs of calm: narrow band, shrinking candles, low volume, and stable OI. At 10:55, the signal arrives. Both call and put OI drop sharply, IV rises, and volume starts building quietly. At 11:05, a huge green candle appears. Volume explodes, and price breaks above 22,000. Call OI drops further while put OI surges, confirming the upward breakout direction. Execute the trade by buying calls, targeting 30 to 60 points, with a stop loss just below the breakout level. Certain market conditions make the big move setup unreliable, so let's identify when to stay out. Avoid this strategy during high-impact news, extreme IV, expiries last hour, mixed OI signals, or when fake-out candles appear. The market whispers before a big move, but it also lies during chaos. Let's bring everything together and see how mastering this pattern transforms your trading. The big move setup isn't a guess. It's a pattern, a signature of the market's pulse. The complete sequence flows from tight range to OI collapse, IV rise, volume spike, and finally direction chosen. Master these steps, and you'll catch moves others only dream about. If this video opened your eyes to how the market prepares for big moves, here's what to do next. Hit like and comment explosion if you want a live big move example. And while you're here, consider subscribing to Money Mastery for your financial education journey. Subscribe to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. In the next video, we're taking things to an entirely new level. Multi-timeframe option chain mastery is coming up next. We'll combine multiple strikes, multiple expiries, and multiple timeframes into one powerful mastery technique. This combined analysis will help you predict market moves with unmatched accuracy. You don't want to miss this one.